basically there are chapters about color theories and color combinations. So there's a particular chapter called as lively gray. Now lively gray is a combination of all colors. So obviously whether it is warm or cool, depending on the composition of the painting, will help in harmonizing the color scheme and the harmony of the entire painting. That's why the lively gray comes in very handy, and it plays a very important role. It doesn't have a color of its own, like a primary or secondary, but it is playing as a strong backbone for any color. Like in our artistic language, we call it neutral. So generally, if I mix my three primaries, red, blue, and yellow, they neutralize each other and the gray appears. So when I'm mixing red, blue, and yellow, obviously, it is exactly like mixing any two complementary colors. So any two complementary colors also mix into gray. But what happens if I vary the proportion? Suppose I'm mixing red and green, and if the proportions are varied, the gray will have a little tinge of color. So normally the mixed grays usually are either warm or either cool. So warm grays are like yellowish gray, brownish gray, reddish gray. I can call them by any name that I want. And the cool grays are bluish gray, greenish gray, violetish gray. So the whole idea is like this gray, which has a little tint. We call it as lively grays also. Lively in the sense they are not black neutralized, like black diluted. They have a character of their own. And this discovery of lively grays is a very important part in the process of the color application in the painting. So there are examples like yellow, blue, red comes in the painting, and the rest of the painting is just a mixture of yellow, blue, red. So this would happen in most of the painting. The primaries would come or any other secondary would come, but there will be mixes which we call as gray. So they neutralize the surrounding, and that becomes very harmonizing agent, I would say. To achieve the color harmony, these lively grays comes in very handy. When we talk about color, obviously we talk about color harmonies. Color harmony is a conceptual thing, like all colors that are coming in the painting are singing one song. So it is like no particular color is dominating on the other, and there could be surprise elements in the painting. Like certain color is a dominant color, orange, blue, or yellow. That is a part of the painting, but as a whole, nobody is disturbing the unity of the painting. So they all are singing different parts of the melody, but ultimately the result is in a harmony. So exactly the musical analogy, like color harmony, is like all of them are unified effort of all the colors to give a unity, which is called as color harmony. So please do come back, subscribe to the channel.